responsive and lively, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 8 seconds, which was competitive for its class at the time. What truly sets this car apart is how it drives. Thanks to its compact size and well-balanced chassis, it feels nimble and controlled through corners, giving drivers a level of confidence that many heavier muscle cars couldn't match. It doesn't rely on brute force, it relies on precision. Visually, it carries a simple yet purposeful design, with subtle performance cues that hint at its capabilities. Inside, the cabin is straightforward and focused, built for driving rather than comfort. For enthusiasts, the Tarana GTR represents a different side of Australian muscle, one that values control, agility, and driver connection over sheer power, making it a unique and respected icon. American muscle might be famous, but these Australian machines were built to challenge everything. 7. Holden Commodore VL Turbo. Turbocharged power changed the game for Australian muscle, and this machine proved just how effective that shift could be. The Holden Commodore VL Turbo didn't rely on a traditional V8 to make an impact. Instead, it introduced a new kind of performance that felt smoother, quicker, and surprisingly advanced for its time. When it arrived in the late 1980s, it immediately stood out as something different, offering a blend of speed and refinement that many competitors couldn't match. Under the hood sits a 3-liter turbocharged inline-6 engine, famously known as a RB30ET, producing around 201 horsepower and 218 pound-feet of torque. While those numbers may not seem extreme today, the way the power is delivered makes all the difference. As the turbo spools up, the acceleration builds rapidly, pushing the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 6.5 seconds, which was impressive for its era. What makes this car truly special is its character. Instead of the loud, aggressive feel of a V8, it offers a smoother yet still exciting driving experience. The turbocharged setup gives it a strong mid-range pull, making it feel quick and responsive in real-world driving. On the road, it feels balanced and composed, with rear-wheel drive dynamics that still allow for some fun when pushed. It's not just about straight-line speed, it delivers a complete driving experience. Unlike traditional muscle cars, this one changed expectations, showing that smart engineering could be just as powerful as raw displacement. Which one impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. 6. Holden Monaro GTSV 8. Classic muscle wasn't just about speed, it was about presence, sound, and the feeling of raw power, and this machine delivers all of it. The Holden Monaro GTSV 8 became one of the most recognizable Australian muscle cars, built during a time when performance was simple, aggressive, and unapologetic. When it first appeared, it quickly gained attention for combining bold styling with serious V8 performance, making it a true icon of its era. Under the hood sits a 5.7-liter V8 engine, producing around 300 horsepower and 380 pound-feet of torque. The power delivery feels strong and immediate, giving that classic push the moment you press the throttle. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 6 seconds, which was impressive for its time and enough to compete with many well-known American muscle cars. The sound of the V8 adds to the experience, delivering a deep, aggressive tone that perfectly matches its character. But this car isn't only about straight-line speed. It also offers a surprisingly engaging driving experience for its era, with a balanced chassis that allows it to handle corners better than many older muscle cars. The rear-wheel drive setup keeps things exciting, giving drivers that traditional muscle car feel while still maintaining control. Visually, the design plays a huge role in its identity. Long body lines, a wide stance, and bold front styling give it a powerful road presence that stands out instantly. It looks fast even when it's standing still, which is exactly what a true muscle car should do. Inside, the cabin is simple but purposeful, focused more on the driving experience than unnecessary luxury. Every element feels built around the driver, reinforcing its performance-focused nature. This car didn't rely on complexity to impress. It proved that pure V8 power and strong design were more than enough to leave a lasting legacy. 5. Ford Falcon EAGT. Instead of following the old-school muscle formula, this machine took a slightly different path by mixing performance with a more refined and modern feel. The Ford Falcon EAGT arrived at a time when Australian muscle was evolving, and it showed that power alone wasn't enough. Balance and usability were becoming just as important. When it was introduced in the early 1990s, it stood out as a limited production performance car that combined bold styling with a more mature driving experience. Under the hood sits a 5-liter V8 engine, producing around 220 horsepower and 304 pound-feet of torque. While those numbers may not sound extreme today, the power delivery feels smooth and consistent, building steadily as you press the throttle. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 7 seconds, which was respectable for its time and enough to hold its own against many competitors. The engine note is deep and controlled, giving it a more refined character compared to older, louder muscle cars. What really defines this car is how it drives. Instead of feeling raw and unpredictable, it offers a more stable and composed experience, especially at higher speeds. The suspension is tuned to handle both comfort and performance, making it suitable for everyday driving while still delivering excitement when pushed harder. It feels more planted on the road, reflecting the shift toward modern engineering. Visually, it carries a distinctive and aerodynamic design with unique bodywork that separates it from standard Falcons. The styling feels cleaner and more refined, yet still aggressive enough to show its performance roots. Inside, the cabin offers improved comfort and practicality, making it more usable for daily driving compared to earlier muscle cars. Rather than trying to be the loudest or the wildest, this car focused on being smarter, smoother, and more usable. 4. Holden SLR 5000. That's what made this machine so dangerous on the road and the track. The Holden SLR 5000 took everything people loved about muscle cars and packed it into a smaller, lighter platform, creating a car that felt fast, aggressive, and incredibly responsive. When it arrived in the 1970s, it quickly earned a reputation for being one of the most exciting performance cars in Australia. Under the hood sits a 5-liter V8 engine, producing around 240 horsepower and 300 pound-feet of torque. In a lightweight body, that kind of power feels far more intense than the numbers suggest. The moment you hit the throttle, the car surges forward with strong acceleration, reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 6 seconds, which was seriously quick for its time. The V8 delivers a deep, aggressive sound that perfectly matches its raw character. What really makes this car stand out is how it handles. Thanks to its compact size and lighter weight, it feels far more agile than larger muscle cars, allowing it to attack corners with confidence. It's not just about straight-line speed. It offers a level of control and responsiveness that made it a serious competitor on racetracks. Visually, it carries a clean, yet purposeful design with subtle performance details that hint at its capabilities. It doesn't need flashy elements. Its stance alone tells you it means business. Inside, the cabin is simple and focused, built for driving rather than comfort. keeping everything straightforward and functional. This car proved that you didn't need the biggest body to create serious muscle. Sometimes less weight and more attitude made all the difference. Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. 3. Holden Commodore VNSS. A return to true V8 muscle is what defined this machine, bringing back the kind of performance many enthusiasts felt was missing. The Holden Commodore VNSS arrived at a time when Australian muscle needed something bold, and it delivered exactly that with a strong, no-nonsense approach. When it was introduced, it quickly gained attention for reintroducing serious V8 power into a more modern platform. Under the hood sits a 5-liter V8 engine, producing around 220 horsepower and 290 pound-feet of torque. While those numbers may seem modest today, the driving experience tells a different story. The power delivery feels strong and immediate, especially in lower gears, giving it that classic muscle car punch. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 7 seconds, making it quick enough to stand out in its era. The V8 sound is deep and aggressive, adding to its overall character. What makes this car interesting is its balance between old and new. It still delivers that raw rear-wheel drive feel, but with improved stability and a more controlled driving experience compared to earlier muscle cars. The suspension setup allows it to feel planted while still keeping things engaging for the driver. Visually, it carries a bold and slightly aggressive design with clean lines and subtle performance cues that separate it from standard models. It doesn't rely on excessive styling. Its presence speaks for itself. Inside, the cabin offers a practical and comfortable layout, making it suitable for both daily use and performance driving. Instead of chasing extremes, this car focused on bringing back what people loved: simple V8 power, rear-wheel drive, and a driving experience that feels honest and direct. 2. Holden Commodore VL Walkinshaw. Aggressive and instantly recognizable, this machine became one of the most controversial yet iconic Australian performance cars ever built. The Holden Commodore VL Walkinshaw, often nicknamed the Plastic Pig, stood out for its extreme aerodynamic body kit that looked completely different from anything else on the road. When it was introduced in the late 1980s, many people questioned its design, but over time it became one of the most respected and rare performance models in Holden history. Under the hood sits a 5,000 cubic centimeter V8 engine, producing around 240 horsepower and 285 pound-feet of torque, delivering a strong and classic muscle car feel. The power comes in smoothly, but with enough force to make it exciting when pushed harder. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 6.5 seconds, which was impressive for its time and more than enough to compete with many performance cars of that era. With a weight of about 3,300 pounds, it maintains a solid balance between power and control. What really makes this car stand out is its racing-inspired purpose. It was built to meet homologation requirements for touring car racing, which explains its unusual design and performance-focused upgrades. The aerodynamic enhancements weren't just for looks. They improved stability at higher speeds. On the road, it feels planted and confident, especially when driven aggressively. The rear-wheel drive setup keeps the driving experience engaging, offering both control and excitement. Inside, the cabin remains simple but purposeful, focused more on driving than luxury. What started as a controversial design eventually became a legend, proving that bold engineering choices can redefine how a performance car is remembered. 1. Ford Falcon BAXR6 Turbo. Power doesn't always need a V8 to make an impact, and this machine proved that in the most convincing way possible. The Ford Falcon BAXR6 Turbo changed expectations by showing how effective turbocharged performance could be in a modern muscle car. When it arrived in the early 2000s, It quickly gained attention for delivering serious speed at a time when most people still associated muscle with big naturally aspirated engines. Under the hood sits a 4-liter turbocharged inline-six engine, producing around 322 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque. The power delivery feels smooth at first, but once the turbo builds boost, it pulls hard and continues to surge forward with confidence. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 5.2 seconds, which put it firmly in competition with many V8-powered rivals of its time. The turbocharged setup gives it strong mid-range performance, making it feel quick and responsive in real-world driving. What makes this car stand out is how usable that performance is. It doesn't feel overly aggressive or difficult to control. Instead, it offers a balanced and composed driving experience with rear-wheel drive dynamics that still allow for excitement when pushed. It feels fast, but also manageable, which adds to its appeal. Visually, it carries a clean and muscular design, with subtle performance cues that give it a confident road presence without being overly flashy. Inside, the cabin feels practical and comfortable, designed for both daily use and spirited driving. This car didn't just compete with V8s. It proved that turbocharged engineering could deliver equal, if not greater, performance in a smarter and more efficient way. So, which one stands out to you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more powerful car content.